Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the Neeko champion on your League of Legends. So at first, just launch your game to the right client. And as you launch your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store. And as you see it, just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, all you have to do is wait. And as it loads, all you have to do is again look at the top and select these champions right here. So guys, either you can just scroll down to find the Neeko champion, or look at your left and go in the search box and just type Neeko. And as you tap it, you can see your champion Neeko right here. And guys, you need RP coin or the blue essence to buy this Neeko champion for yourself. So if you don't have the RP point, you can just top up the RP points from the store. So guys, that's how you get the Neeko champion on your League of Legends. If you found our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.